Once upon a time, there was a little angel who lived happily with her loving mother and father. Their home was near a beautiful, green jungle filled with tall trees, colorful flowers, and singing birds. The little angel had soft white wings, and she loved to fly slowly in the blue sky. Every day, her parents gently warned her, "My dear child,
Listen
never go
closely,
alone
my child.
into the jungle. The jungle is beautiful, but it can also be dangerous." The little angel nodded and promised to listen. One sunny day, her parents went out for some important work. The little angel stayed home alone. She looked at the jungle from her window and felt very curious. She thought, "Just a small visit won't hurt. I will come back quickly." Forgetting her parents' words, she spread her wings and flew into the jungle. The jungle looked magical. Butterflies danced around her, flowers smiled, and the wind sang softly. The little angel felt very happy and excited. Suddenly, a hungry jackal noticed her. The jackal wanted to eat her, but he pretended to be kind. He spoke sweetly and said, "Little angel, I know a beautiful waterfall. Come with me." The little angel did not know he was lying. She trusted him and followed him deeper into the jungle. High on a tree, a clever bird saw everything. The bird understood that the little angel was in danger. Without wasting time, the bird flew fast and informed all the animals in the jungle. Soon, elephants, deer, monkeys, and rabbits came together. They ran and shouted loudly. The noise scared the jackal. He ran away quickly and never came back. The little angel was saved. She felt scared and sorry. Tears filled her eyes as she said, "I should have listened to my parents." She thanked the kind bird and all the animals. Then she flew back home and hugged her parents tightly. She promised never to disobey them again. Her parents smiled and hugged her with love. Parents always guide us with love. Listening to them keeps us safe and happy.